This is NAB Show Live.
Hi there, I'm Michael Robinson with Broadcast Beat, and this is NAB Show Live. I'm in the South Hall in the Convention Center, and I'm actually walking by this very interesting booth. As you can see, there are reels going in the background, and with me is someone who is going to tell us more about it. His name is Stephen, and he's from Galileo.
Yeah, Galileo Digital, we're the distributor for laser graphics and Xtor, the two products, the two manufacturers that we're displaying here in the booth. Laser graphics, we brought two scanners from laser graphics, their flagship Director 10K. It's the only 10K scanner with color HDR on the market. And we also have the ScanStation, our ScanStation, which we've just added 65 millimeter capability, so we're scanning everything from 8 millimeter all the way up to 65 millimeter with color high dynamic range HDR and some special custom gates and rollers for handling warped film, which makes all of our archive customers very happy.
So I have a question for you. Technology is evolving, and people think that film as this might be obsolete. Am I wrong?
Not wrong, but we saw film probably at the end of digital intermediate about 5 years ago go down to about 0 to 1% at most studios. What we're seeing is a little bit of movement back, especially in some of the independent films are shooting on 8 millimeter film. There's a lot of that going on now, and we're seeing kind of a little bit of a resurgence in 65 millimeter 5 perf. Most of the customers that we're selling to are archives, universities, because they have boatloads of old film that is yet to be scanned, and it's either going to deteriorate in the archives, or they're going to get it scanned and repurposed digitally, and they're working on that now because what was I going to say? I forgot. Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So,
You can edit that, right?
You're saying that the quality of the video, the quality of the material is different from what it was, say, 20, 30 years ago?
Yeah. Actually, all the way back from the 1930s to the 1990s, all the film was manufactured by Kodak and Fuji, and it was beautiful. Yeah. Since then, it's been deteriorating. It actually becomes kind of plasticized, and we call it vinegar syndrome, and it deteriorates over time, gets warped, and eventually to the point where it's unusable. So we're sort of in triage mode with the archives right now to scan this material before it dies, repurpose the film, get it re-archived digitally, and get it repurposed digitally for internet in the movie theaters.
Well, thank you very much for sharing this with us.
My pleasure.
And enjoy NAB Show.
Thank you.
I'm Michael Robinson with NAB Show Live.